What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this, you have already seen part 1 and you're here for part 2 to see exactly how I apply my press-on nails to get them to last up to 3 weeks long. I enjoy doing press-on nails. I love them way more than acrylic nails. Acrylic nails gets extremely expensive. I went from paying $180 every 2 weeks to now only paying $3 a month, and I completely enjoy it. I will never go back to acrylic nails. I do not care. So if you haven't seen part 1, please check the description below, and where I get my nails is also in the description below. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is show you the glue that I use. This is the glue that I use.
He needs some milk.
Oh, no.
I do use the gel, the super glue gel. It's the best one to me. You can see I'm almost out. Yes, I use Gorilla Glue. I like Gorilla Glue better than nail glue. They just last longer to me. I've already started the first step, which was washing my nails with this little brush. I take a brush and I clean my nails really good to try to get any dirt, because once you put that super glue on your nails, everything that is on your nails or in your nails can be locked in, and I do not like that. The second part is filing and cleaning my nails with alcohol, just to remove any unnecessary oil. I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to clean my nail bed right quick. Just clean it off a little bit. All right, once my nail bed is all cleaned off, I do take a file and I file that first layer off, because sometimes I get lazy and I leave the old glue on my nails. Like you can see right here. As you can see right here, some of the old glue is definitely still on my nails. All right, so once my nails is all cleaned off, I just brush it a little bit to try to get the dust off. Now you do see a lot of people push their cuticles back. I don't push my cuticles back because I don't want to. I see no necessarily need to do it. So all I do is get my super glue, add a little dot. It does not take that much, just a little dot works. So I'm gonna press down from bottom to top, hold it for a couple seconds. Wiping off any excess glue that I put here. And going on to the next nail. Okay, so after they're done, all I do is file off these little... Okay, you guys, now I'm done. I love them. That is so freaking cute. But that is all for part 2, you guys. You guys get the gist of what I mean. But that is how I change up my nails so easily. That's all. Until the next video. Stay tuned for part 3 so I can show you guys how to remove the annoying glue that always gets stuck on the inside of the press-on nails. We all want to reuse these nails and they always get this glue stuck here. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you guys how I remove the glue on the inside of my press-on nails.